from papers, sheets is not allowed. However, you can refer to some notes once in a while. That's a very big piece of paper, isn't it? I don't know where you're going to make out what you've written. Okay. Then, audience, your duties are to look interested, which I'm sure you are, and also make notes. Because remember, I'm going to call upon some of you at random to give your feedback on whatever has been done a little while. Is that understood?
Abhijit Sawant, Indian Idol winner 2005. Harshvardhan Navarthe, KBC 2000. My topic for today is TV reality shows. Good morning, one and all. Today, TV reality shows are dominating most of the television channels. And these reality shows have been a big hit and they continue to do so. There are TV reality shows like KBC, Indian Idol, Dance India Dance, India's Got Talent, Fear Factor, etc. These have been successful in the Indian market and they are continuing to do so. And I'm going to speak about both the negative and the positive aspects about reality shows. First being, it provides a platform which caters to all the talents. For example, in DID, they give opportunities for all the so-called aspirant choreographers, and they give opportunities to singers in Saregama, and they give opportunities to people who want to showcase their IQ in Kaun Banega Crorepati and win money. And in a way, they provide a recognition platform wherein people before, because of all the bureaucracies and the strings attached, people were hesitant to come in the forefront. Now this is it's like a shortcut where you can just go and give auditions and participate in a particular reality show. It has given opportunities to people. It has given opportunities to poor people who could not afford any classes, or who could not get admission in these various institutions. They come through these reality shows wherein they get the recognition. For example, Myung Chang and Abhijit Sawant, and there are many participants in the various TV reality shows where they could not really afford, but they have been given a recognition. And in a way, it also motivates people. It not only motivates the participants, but it also motivates the audiences. For example, I'm an example of that. After watching DID, I'm very much motivated to go and give an audition once in a lifetime. I'm going to do that. And now speaking about the other side of the coin, it creates communalism. How does it create communalism? I can give a very native example of my own. When Prashant Tamil was participating in Indian Idol, all people from Darjeeling, they came together along with people from Shillong, Assam, from Nepal also we got the support. We all came together. There was support from West Bengal also. We all came together to push Prashant Tamil to the forefront. And we did achieve in this. After this, the Gorkhaland agitation started because people realized that we could get united. And I'm just diverting from the topic, but I'll just say that after Prashant Tamil won Indian Idol championship, the Gorkhaland agitation started in Darjeeling. And through these reality shows, they are also sucking money from the people. The various votes appeal through SMSs and calling. They suck the money out of people. In a way, we don't realize that how much money is being going to these people, but it's a huge sum. And impact on children. Because of these reality shows like Fear Factor, Roadies, and the various other reality shows like Survivor, these are impacting the children because we adults can read the the warning signs given below, warning like all stunts are performed in the presence of professionals, but these children, they do not get that message, so they try to practice all these stunts at home, wherein they might get injured or sometimes they might risk their lives. And yes, so parents should guide their children when watching all these TV reality shows. Eventually, I would like to conclude my topic by saying that TV reality shows are really helping the people to come in the forefront, because various talents are being recognized, and we really come to know how rich India is culturally. And anyway, I would like to conclude in a positive manner. Only TV reality shows are good, but in a way, you should provide supervision to your children and